Hello friends, today we are learn A to Z number name and color name. So let's start. Purple color, orange color, black color, dark green color, red color, blue color, yellow color, sky blue color, light green color, brown color, peach pink color, pink color, white color. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 pink color A for apple B for backpack orange color C for cat D for doll light green color E for egg F for fish yellow color G for goat H for hen. Blue color I for ice cream. J. J for jacket. Red color K. K for kite. L. L for lion.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you
Pink color
sing with
M.
me?
M for mango. N.
A B
N
C D
for
E F
nose.
G H I J K L M N O P Q
Orange color
R S
O.
T U
O
V
for
W
onion.
X
P.
Y and
P
Z.
for
Now I
panda.
know my ABCs.
Light green
Next time,
color
won't you
Q.
sing
Q
with
for
me?
queen. R. R for rose. Yellow color S. S for sun. T. T for tiger. Blue color U.
A
U
B
for
C D E
umbrella.
F G
V.
H I
V
J
for
K L M N O P
volcano.
Q R S T
Red
U
color
V
W.
W X Y and Z. Now I know my
W for
ABCs.
watermelon.
Next time, won't you sing
X.
with me?
X for Xmas tree. Pink color Y. Y for
A
UU.
B C D
Z.
E F
Z
G
for
H
zebra.
I J K L M N O P Q R S T
1.
U V W X Y and Z.
2.
Now I know my ABCs.
3.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 0.
A
Bye
B
bye.
C D